अली पे फोन चेक कर रहा है कौन सी थे
they like my look.
Okay, sorry, we will need the mic. Yeah, of course. Because the people at the back can't hear. Can't
On.
hear the recording.
It's all recording here.
It's recording.
Yes.
इसमें echo आ रहा है. We can't hear you. Mic में echo आ रहा है.
तू ही तू हर जगह.
बेस ज़्यादा है।
हल्का सा जोर से बता दो.
हल्का से जोर से क्या होता है?
कॉम्प्लीमेंट ये मिला है कि वो जो लोग जो थिएटर में जा रहे हैं पिक्चर देखने के लिए वापस से दोबारा और फिर थर्ड टाइम ओवर, इससे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट हो नहीं सकता। वो जो आपका जो एक वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे, मंडे का कलेक्शन जो है वो उससे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं मिल सकता।
खान साहब, जिस तरीके से इस फिल्म ने रिकॉर्ड बनाया है, एक बहुत बड़ा रिकॉर्ड, और हर दिवस एक नया रिकॉर्ड इसमें ऐड होता जा रहा है, इस उपलब्धि को किस तरीके से आप लेते हैं?
सर ये तो जीनियस सर यही हैं जिन्होंने ये हमको इस मुकाम पर पहुंचा दिया है। बिकॉज स्क्रिप्ट इनकी, म्यूज़िक इनका, पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट इनका।
विशाल शेखर
नहीं बट इसमें हाथ तो आप ही का है। विशाल शेखर थोड़ी कोई उसको कुछ स्क्रिप्ट का कोई सेंस था। वो तो म्यूज़िक डायरेक्टर तो 4-5 गाने दे देता, उसमें से बेस्ट कौन सा सिलेक्ट करे वो आपके चॉइस के अंदर है। हालांकि वो जो रिजेक्ट किया वो म्यूज़िक इस फिल्म से बेटर था। जो वो गाने मैं सुनाऊँ वो हमने नेक्स्ट हमारी फिल्म के लिए ले लिए हैं।
मतलब ये
सलमान, watch before
सिर्फ
you
वो लड़ाई
movie?
पे, दंगल पे ये फिल्म नहीं थी, इसमें मिक्स्ड इमोशंस भी सबके
जी।
सामने आए थे।
जी हाँ,
कई
बहुत
लोग-
सारे मिक्स्ड इमोशन थे इस फिल्म के अंदर।
कई लोगों की आंखें भी भरी।
अरे एक सेकंड, जस्ट एक मुझे कैमरा करना है यहाँ पर। इस साइड से आई वांट टू टेक दिस रिएक्शन।
Live feed.
Much before your movie releases, you know, there are a lot of predictions that are usually made, you know. Since last few years, you've been delivering hit after hit and delivering
I've just been
new
lucky.
kind of records. So do you also
I've just been lucky. I've just been somebody who's there at the right place at the right time, you know, choosing the right film, or been made to choose the right film, and working with people who are working more on me, and they, because they've already worked on themselves, and they take an average person and they make him into this sultan. So I've just been lucky with this, and then once the luck runs out, then I'll start working really hard on myself. So we'll keep that.
Are you
Yeah, very choosy. See the amount of films I used to do earlier, and now I don't do them anymore because I'm choosy with the films that I'm doing.
What made you choose person?
One or two disasters idhar udhar.
Anushka, there's a lot of appreciation that you have received for your role. What is the best compliment you have?
It's actually very overwhelming, the kind of response that I've gotten. But I think just like what he said, if people are watching your film again and again, and they're saying कि मतलब people like even the help in my house, they are like हम लोग मैम वापस एक बार देखने जाएंगे. So that is greater than anything else. That the film is being loved so much. Apart from that, I'm very grateful for also the whatever people have appreciated Alpha. I think it was a role that, and emotions that I didn't understand the maturity of those emotions at that time. So I feel like ho gaya to, and it's been appreciated. So I feel.
Don't worry, next.
So the film has done 180 crore in just 5 days.
I don't follow numbers; they follow numbers.
I follow number 5.
Yeah.
They follow
They follow
numbers.
YRF, follow numbers. So once the film is done, and the initial awareness of the film is done, which we did very little this time. So I'm out of the film. I'm into the next one.
At what point the number is not mattering?
No, they do matter, but I'm not good with dates. I'm not good with numbers. So even अगर मुझे आके कोई बोल दे कि इतना बिजनेस है, ठीक है.
आमिर
तो
खान आमिर खान से मुलाकात हुई तो उन्होंने कहा था कि वो सुल्तान के काफ़ी इमोशनल हो गए थे
जी,
और
जी।
काफ़ी पसंद भी उन्होंने आपको टेक्स्ट भी किया था।
जी, मुझे टैक्स आया था। मुझे काफ़ी
You said that there is a lot of people who are working on you and try.
What?
You just said that there's a lot of people
Yeah.
who are working on you and making you
Yes, yeah.
look good.
She made me look good.
kind of
She made me
work
look
is
good in
that?
the film.
What kind of work is that? That's the best compliment I got. By the way.
She did make me look good in the film. He did make me look good in the film. The script made me look good. The music,
The lyrics. Beautiful lyrics.
beautiful. Yeah. I just thought in the lyrics, this lyricist
इरशाद का
इरशाद खान was very, मतलब कि 4 गानों के lyrics उन्होंने एक गाने में दिए। कुछ ज़्यादा दे दिया। इतने पैसे के अंदर बोला कि जितना है सब डाल दूँ। So he was there.
Ali, does this give you a scope?
I was only upset that मेरे गाने यूज़ नहीं किए। The songs that I sang were equally good or not as good, but they refused to.
All songs.
supporting actors also.
The big difference is that there are no bad guys.
Yeah.
There is no villain as such. The conflict is internal. Do you think you sort of
But it's always
have
internal.
bad
No?
guys?
Conflict is always internal.
Is it?
It's
But
always
that is not
internal.
the case in Dabang or what? If there was a real bad guy.
Ah, but that's
then
a different kind of film altogether. It's a different kind of film.
I mean, is it passe now to have a bad guy?
Hmm?
Is it?
No, never. This is just. इसमें सिर्फ यही बुरा था। एक मुकाम पे आने के बाद
ऑल्टर ईगो
थोड़ा सा एक आदमी सटक जाता है। And if he understands that, then there's no bigger hero than he is. So you're fighting within yourself.
Ali, does this give a scope for the part 2, Sultan part 2?
ये बड़ी मुश्किल से बनी है।
दूसरी वाली इजीली बन जाएगी ना?
You recently
Next
met,
film
you
you will
recently
be
tweeted about
studying.
you meeting Sylvester Stallone before, and you said that he inspired. So what exactly do you speak to him? What do you
because they both are in touch. So when I was in LA doing my
No, I'm not.
Bhai, you are in touch with Slash.
I'm not
You keep
touch.
he keeps tweeting about
Yeah,
you.
but I
he-
also have Twitter or
So
touch means like.
there's a common friend that he and Stallone has. So through him, we met him when I was in LA doing my old action choreography.
you managed to get some extraction?
Salman, how do you
performance even from
celebrate
the
success
supporting
then
team?
and now? Is there a difference?
Take on that.
No difference.
What is success to you?
Being happy. What? Yeah, but it's really tough to do a sports-based film. It's really tough. It's a lot of hard work that's been put into.
Bhai's
Films
got a
like
pool
Sultan.
table at home, so pool के ऊपर pool table आया अभी.
If it were not for you,
Carom, chess, Ludo, Scrabble, Pictionary.
If it were not for you, who do you think would have been a better Sultan?
This is a very difficult one to answer. I think that from the way I see it and from the way the fans and people have reacted to this film, the only person who would have been able to play Sultan Khud.
Salman, how did you see Amir Khan's strategy of releasing his poster during Sultan's release? So he thought only when Sultan is coming up, people will actually get awareness that when Dangal is coming up.
Everyone is aware of Dangal much before Sultan. What? Sorry? Yeah, what?
Anushka,
your character towards the end where it goes back to just doing what the professional investing and teaching your job. There were few reviews which actually stand your character and the way your character shapes out. How do you perceive those reviews? Because they must have not sat to the end credits to see what has happened.
I really very strongly think that is the reason. I think everyone's entitled to their opinion. What they said was that it was a regressive character, which I don't agree with at all. Because nobody, it was in fact progressive because she made the decision herself. You know, it's not like he forced her, ki abhi tum give up kar do, ya anyone forced her. It was a decision that she took herself, and it was a choice whether to have the child or not have a child, and she chose to have a child. And she would have gone back to wrestling like she does in the film. But then something such a big deal or such a big thing happens in their life that completely changes their world. You know.
बट अगर बच्चा मेरे आने के बाद पैदा होता तो या मेरे जाने से पहले पैदा हो जाता तो और बच्चे का ब्लड ग्रुप सेम नहीं होता तो
So you strongly spoke about the repeat value, the repeat audience. We strongly lack that in today's films. But with films like Bajrangi Bhaijaan, PK and...
there is an audience which does not go to the theatre at all. They watch it at home, they watch it on DVDs, they watch it on satellite. Now that is an audience that we need. Even if we don't have those many theatres. So even we don't have those many theatres, but films like this, people should come out of the houses and go and see the movies. Like the footfalls of Bajrangi Bhaijaan was the highest, which is 3 crore 40 lakh people in an Abadi of 125 crore plus people. I mean, that's not even, what, 3%?
Yeah,
Point, हाँ, वो भी नहीं है. Theatre goers तो है ही नहीं. उसमें हम लोग survive कर रहे हैं. Just imagine when we increase our theatres or people actually start going back to the cinemas to watch. We just got a thing in UP, there are like 1,800 theatres that have been shut down. In Maharashtra, there are an X amount of theatres. So the theatres are shut down. This is really sad. So there used to be more theatres then than there are now.
Someone is it disheartening that before movie releases, a lot of stuff has been leaked online. Like it was in case of Sultan, Urta Punjab also.
Yeah.
Plan Masti was leaked 2 weeks before the release.
That's very
This is also
disgusting.
disheartening
That's
that
dis-
It eats into the business.
चोर लोग हैं. There are people who उनको किसी को कोई मेहनत करनी नहीं, किसी और की मेहनत के ऊपर उनको पैसे कमाना है. Worst profession some of us have is to let somebody else do the work and you take away the credit and you make money on their hard work.
Do you feel even the people supported by buying the DVDs and all those things? The people also supported by buying DVDs?
Yes, I think they should be.
Rates are high.
In fact, there was somebody who was telling me there is some minister. He said you should put Tata on these things.
Yeah.
कि खरीदने वाले को और बेचने वाले को टाटा लगा. Because tax भरते हैं. और महाराष्ट्र का टैक्स बहुत हैवी टैक्स है. So when you're paying tax, so then you need to protect us where these things are concerned as well. और 2 लोग जेल के अंदर जाएंगे, इसके बाद ये सब बंद हो जाएगा. साउथ में होता नहीं है. So you need to.
Do you think this is an impact of the high ticket rates that are there in theatres?
No, it's not to do with ticket rates at all. I don't think so.
It's heavy, but that's Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday के बाद तो 100 रुपये पे आ ही जाता है. And
also,
then you have also single screens.
Yeah.
You have single screens as well. So the people who cannot afford the multiplexes, because see now, even I feel that the ticket price is very high. But now when you see the infrastructure and you see the real estate का value, then अगर वो चार्ज नहीं करेंगे तो थिएटर बंद हो जाएगा. But anyway, Friday, Saturday, Sunday के बाद तो like we tried it in जय हो. हमने 250 रुपये की टिकट रखी थी जय हो के अंदर. वो ना अप्रिशिएट हुआ, ना उसको कोई कलेक्शन आए. बोले कि अब 128 करोड़ की डिज़ास्टर. तो 250 रुपये की टिकट रखोगे तो यही होगा कलेक्शंस में. तो
So, there were reports that you are planning to open theatre chain under being even in places where there are no theatres. Is that true?
we are working on it. But there is a reason why the theatres are not there. कि चल नहीं रहे हैं theatres इस वजह से वहाँ पे theatre है नहीं, population नहीं है. So we still doing a survey, still doing a study कि जहाँ पर हमको ऐसा लगे कि यहाँ पर आबादी अच्छी खासी है और यहाँ पे लोग आएंगे वहाँ से और पास से. Like we were shooting in Mandava.
Yeah.
We had to go to see Dolly Ki Doli, about 2 hours away from Mandava. Fatehpur. Yeah? Fatehpur. Huh?
Jodhpur.
No. Mandava, Fatehpur. So we had to drive down for an hour and a half to see Dolly Ki Doli. It was a worthwhile drive.
और कौन सी जगह पे जहाँ पे आप थिएटर करना चाहिए? आपने मंडावा का एग्जाम्पल दिया, इसके अलावा
नहीं, मैं एग्जाम्पल दे रहा हूँ कि थिएटर ही नहीं है. वहाँ पे थिएटर नहीं तो सबको पिक्चरें देखनी या तो ये बच्चे लोग मोटरसाइकिल किक मार के स्टार्ट करके आ जाते हैं लंबी डिस्टेंसेस क्रॉस करके. और व्हाट अबाउट द अदर पीपल? अगर घर के पास कहीं थिएटर हो जाके देखेंगे, लेकिन आबादी कुछ शहरों की इतनी कम है, वहाँ पर टिकट प्राइसेस भी क्या होंगे. अगर जितने भी छोटे गांव के अंदर सब खेती बाड़ी, सबकी दुकानें हैं, किराने की दुकान, खेती बाड़ी सब हो, तो वो कहाँ से वो एक 100 रुपये की टिकट या 50 रुपये की टिकट अफोर्ड कर पाएंगे. दैट्स अ मॉडल दैट वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन.
But Sultan came along, the top 8 grossers in the industry were not Hindi.
Pardon?
Before Sultan came along, the top 8 out of the top 10, the first 8 grossers were not Hindi films, they were Hollywood. They were Hollywood franchises.
So it's damn good. That only means that we should work a lot harder.
Yeah.
They have been able to understand our market more than we've been able to do it. So they've been doing a really good job. And
What do you think we're doing wrong?
we're shying away from emotion.
From emotion.
Salman, you become number 1 star.
I've become.
Number 1 star.
I've become.
Touch wood. You've always been. Today I was reading a bit. You've always been number 1. And in the classic group, Amitabh ji is number 1 and you are number 1. I was reading some bit there. So what
I'm
is
number 1 in my mother's eyes. I don't know about anything else.
Is your mother your harshest critic in that?
What?
Your mother, is she your harshest critic?
And how do
I'm
you say
forgiven for a lot.
She's a little biased towards you.
I'm forgiven for a lot. I think everyone should be my mother.
What was her reaction?
My dad. So every time you do a movie, it's like his reaction is very important. So he comes back and he says, "Bhul jao, so jao." He come back, he'll say that,
Anushka, do you still...
इसको भूल जाओ. Next वाली पे ज़्यादा मेहनत करो.
What did your Sultan के लिए क्या बोला उन्होंने?
She loved it. She loved it. She loved it.
Sultan के लिए उन्होंने क्या बोला?
He loved the movie. He really liked the movie. In fact, he keeps the trials for Vaida ji, Nanda ji, all these. So they all go to see the film Asha ji, Karan's mom, and Krishna auntie, and Mrs. Prem Chopra. Everyone, they all go together to watch movies, and they watch every film that is coming on. They have this one day is fixed for them, dad, mom, and they go and watch every movie that comes out.
Even you watch all the movies of your country? Even you watch all the movies?
I work quite a bit, so I'm not getting time to watch movies. But when I'm not working, I'm surfing channels, which I've just learned to do that. Otherwise, whatever used to be playing on television, I didn't know how to pick up the remote and change channel. जो गाइड आता है, फिर गाइड के बाद वो I didn't know. I just learned it now recently, about 15 days ago at the farm.
The confusion is set top box.
Yeah.
Anushka,
So I didn't know when that बीच में आता था ना वो एक काला एक क्या says that
no signal.
E045.
no that press key to press to think कि मैं अभी इसको उठाऊं कोई गलत चीज़ नहीं दब जाए मुझसे. So I'm not good with technology at all.
Uh,
Who?
Have you seen the poster Dangal? How did you get it from there?
दंगल का पोस्टर आपने
देखा
देखा?
आपने
दंगल का पोस्टर
Have you seen the poster?
Huh, with Amir sitting with. Yeah, very nice.
Anushka, do you still feel you're a bigger star than
No, but it's a very nice poster. When he comes out with his bare-chested poster, he's going to be. Have you seen his body?
Yeah.
When he. He's after me, huh?
finally started showing.
And I gave my advice. I said, Amir, do not. ये पहलवान का रोल है. इसमें सिक्स पैक वगैरह नहीं बनाना तुम्हारा. इसे नहीं यार, वो तो सुशील लोग तो सब बना के घूम रहे हैं. ऐसे तू मत बना.
Have you lost the weight that you gained for Sultan?
No, I'm trying. No. See, first it was difficult to put on weight. Now it's difficult to lose weight. It was difficult to compete with your seniors. What is more difficult right now is to compete with your juniors.
Recently, Amir Khan said you're a bigger star than him. What's your take on that?
See, he doesn't lie about anything. That is one thing I give.
Such.
He doesn't lie.
You're a star of your stature, associating yourself with wrestling and then making a film.
अभी ऐसे कुछ सोचा नहीं है, लेकिन आगे जाके देखेंगे होता क्या है. अभी सोचा नहीं है इसके बारे में. But yeah, regional films are doing really well and doing very good regionals.
What films?
Regional films.
I'm doing one. Marathi.
Which one?
Ritesh Deshmukh.
Mauli.
Huh?
Shivaji.
Shivaji.
What are you playing in that? What are you playing in that?
That you watch the film.
It's not a cameo.
Guest appearance है या
It's not a cameo.
No, it's a good 5-6 day.
What about producing your movie?
कोई particular character?
I'm not getting the right script.
Are you producing the movie?
No, Ritesh produced.
So do you ever visit?
I forced myself into the movie.
It's a cameo?
It's a proper role. Means like it's a 5-6 day role, which is quite large.
Talking in Marathi?
Huh? No, I think the dialogue writer Ritesh Deshmukh on the set it will, because my mother's Marathi is Marathi, English, Hindi. So it's. काय झालं होतं? What are you doing? अरे मत करो ऐसा. सलमान, सुशीला, चांदनी, कहाँ है लखा? What do I do with him? So it's like.
Star of your stature, associating with.
I just did a Marathi show just now.
Yeah. Chala, how
How are you? I think they were damn funny.
was.
Is they're so funny. I have died laughing. I started wheezing and all.
What about movies?
What? I don't think so.
Why is this?
You agree? You agree?
I don't watch the show, but like, why is a Marathi show something so important? Because I
Oh no. I've gone on it because I want to go on to it, and today that show, particular show, is one of the highest rating rating show, and it's damn funny. It is really, really funny. And all the Maharashtrians, everyone who speaks Marathi, they all watch that show.
Sir, do you ever visit theatres to see the reactions you get for your film? Because even Ali tweeted that he went to visit Chandan and the reaction was fine. Do you ever visit to see
You get it on this now.
So you check, you usually...
Somebody shows it. So when you're seeing the film, you get a andaza that this is going to be okay.
Anushka, how was your experience? You visited a theatre discreetly and
Oh, मतलब too good it was. मतलब बहुत मतलब मैं 3 दिन के लिए खुश थी उसके बाद. बहुत सुपर था यार. मतलब लोग हंस भी रहे थे. फिर like I could hear like some sniffles also, you know. So it was like they were fully connected with the film and all. It's a great feeling.
also Ranveer watched Sultan over there in Paris and he,
Have you seen that video?
videos
And I want to kill him. Ashma, I want to like break a chair or something on his head is the right thing to say. Watch a film.
He was dancing.
Don't go start dancing and disturb the film.
So he made Chandan ना, वो चंदन
Yeah.
theater बना दिया था.
And I don't know if you all saw this picture that he tweeted
Yeah,
that
yeah.
where in the film I'm doing this, that is actually Ranveer bhai, please जाके बैठ जा. लोगों को हमारी picture देखने थे.
Yeah, I was like, whoa. I said, what is this? Oh, this.
And in Paris it was.
Ranveer.
Yeah, in a foreign country, na?
I said, he's not watching Sultan, he's making people watch him there. He should have charged money for that.
Who do you admire from the younger Lord, an actor?
I like this boy, Ranveer. I like Varun Dhawan. I like Tiger, Suraj. And I like... Huh?
Arjun.
I like Arjun's good. I like Ranveer. I like who's the other guy?
सारे बोल दिए
किसी प्रॉब्लम है नहीं, अलग फॉलो कर गया। आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है इसमें? हाँ? सिद्धार्थ।
Anushka, who do you think is
I like
your
Anushka,
toughest
Anushka.
competitor?
toughest competitor मतलब
Like, who do you think in Bollywood actresses, the League of Actresses, who do you
I
think?
think it really depends on the films that you're doing, and if you're doing good films, then like today I've done a Sultan, then after some time somebody else can do a really good film. So I don't think it's not consistent.
So there's
Everybody is a competitor. I mean, we're all working in the same industry, vying for the same scripts and wanting the same kind of success. So everybody is a competitor.
with nobody to watch out for, somebody you think he
ऐसे तो मैंने कभी भी नहीं किया कि यार इसका ये क्या कर रहा है, ये मुझे देखना है, मुझे फॉलो करना है, मैंने
अनुष्का, आपको लगता है कि बहुत सारी एक्ट्रेसेस आपसे एनवी करती होंगी क्योंकि आपने तीनों खान के साथ काम किया और सब्सटेंशियल रोल
hero, like I've also worked with Sanjay Dutt and
That
जैसे कि मैंने कहा काफ़ी एक्ट्रेसेस एनवी करती होंगी आपको क्योंकि आपने तीनों खान के साथ काम कर लिया और सब्सटेंशियल रोल किया उनके ऑपोजिट में.
I hope not. And I don't think they will because everybody is doing good work. You know? I mean, everyone's making their mark. So I don't think so. I think it's a good time for everybody.
कटरीना ने भी किया है।
Correct. Kareena ne bhi
Wish
kiya.
Katrina happy birthday.
Tomorrow.
Salman,
from the younger actors.
From the youngest actor to Katrina Kaif, wishing her very happy birthday.
So my question was working with a younger lord.
If something comes up, we'll definitely. Like I worked with Pulkit, you know. I worked with who else? I worked with Anil Kapoor.
Salman asked want you to play
What?
play a role in his biopic. Would you do cameo in his biopic?
If he wants me to play a role,
A biopic.
see if he's making his biopic. I think it's kind of it's not complete without me being a part of it.
Sanjay Dutt.
Salman, after Daskadam, you will come out with a second season. Any plans of?
Right now we're doing Big Boss.
But any plans of Daskadam?
I would love to do it. 100%. That I've really enjoyed doing that show. But now this is an easier show for me to do. In fact, this one is going to be very difficult because it's not celebrity, it's common man. So, common man को suddenly becomes celebrity versus common man. तो जहाँ कुछ हो जाए अच्छा आप तो सेलिब्रिटी हो, आप तो ये सेलिब्रिटी पहले सेलिब्रिटी नहीं था, बाद में हुआ है. जैसे कि वो जब घर से निकलेंगे तो वो भी सेलिब्रिटी नहीं थे, जब घर में घुसें जब बाहर निकलेंगे तो वो भी सेलिब्रिटी बन जाएंगे. तो इट बी डिफिकल्ट वन फॉर मी टू हैंडल दिस टाइम.
अच्छा सलमान, एक सवाल मुझे पूछना था, आप मानते हैं कि आप बॉलीवुड के सुल्तान, बॉलीवुड ही नहीं कहते होंगे ना, हिंदुस्तान के सुल्तान हो कि कोई भी कंट्रोवर्सी हो, कुछ भी हो, आपको नहीं छूती, आपके फैंस और ज़्यादा आपको सपोर्ट करते हैं, आपको आगे बढ़ाते हैं?
नहीं, वैसा मेरा कोई मानना है नहीं इसके अंदर. आई बिलीव कि यो जितना कि लास्ट फिल्म जो करता है आपके लिए वही करता है, फिर द होल साइकिल स्टार्ट्स वंस अगेन टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ. एक चैप्टर ख़त्म हो गया, अब नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हैज़ टू बी बेटर देन द प्रीवियस वन. और
लेकिन कंट्रोवर्सीज को कैसे लेते हैं आप, जो फिल्म के टाइम जो आ जाता है यहाँ वहाँ से आ जाता है? इसलिए मेरे को जैसे पूछ नहीं रही, बहुत सारी कंट्रोवर्सीज अरिजीत का है.
So now, should I give you something that you can survive for like a week, 2 weeks? or should I just not say anything?
Tell us.
If I don't say anything, I am boring. Okay? If I give you something right now, you will survive that 2 weeks. You will like that. But people around me will not like that. See, understand your intention. My father is writing articles right now, and he's doing a really good job. He's tweeting right now.
Yeah, very much.
And he's fantastic.
Yeah. Would you like him to write
ever
something?
see you writing?
Would you like him to write?
I want him to do whatever he wants to do, man. Just don't trouble my mother.
Coming
So you will start shooting for
Salman, are
Moonlight
you
from
planning to
20th?
write a script next, because you...
No, I don't have time.
So you start shooting for Tubelight from 20th,
Yeah.
and that is a period film. So what can we expect from it, from that film?
Right now I'm blank. That we will answer when the film releases. इसका जवाब मैं आपको थिएटर में दूंगा.
But
For
is
that
it
film,
around the
when
doing
you made, right?
Huh?
Can we see Sultan to impact?
Not only does it do well commercially, it also does very well critically.
Yeah.
Has your perception and opinions about films, is there a change in perception when you sign a film?
No, I'm doing the same kind of films. Same kind of films. The films that I myself want to go and watch in the theatre. Those are the films that I'm doing, and those are the films that I've always been doing.
Do you think Sultan by any chance?
अली के साथ कितनी फिल्में करने की सलमान अली के साथ कितनी
What?
think that's when actors like you and Amir, they make films on associate themselves and make films on wrestling as a sport. I think that's gonna help.
100%. In fact, I just got a feedback from Mumbai itself. There was some akhada shutdown in Mumbai. They've opened them up.
Okay, last question.
During Bharatanatyam Idol, you had said that you would be doing character that will be larger than life, not in the sense of canvas, but in the sense of beats. So when you play a sultan, do you find any resonance in terms of connect, or do you like make it very Salman-like in performance?
I try to move as far away from Salman as possible. But then whatever is done there on screen, the fans think that this Salman character is larger than that. It is not true. It is the script which is the largest, the hugest thing in a movie. Apart from that, I mean, if the people like you, if you suit the character, then anyone can pull off Sultan. Anybody can pull off Sultan.
सलमान का जो जग दुनिया ऐसे आपने किया ना,
या वो
किसने concept
that was
design
very
किया?
Arbaz.
Do you think this movie will also fetch you awards? Sultan will also fetch you awards. It has also yours.
You'll go? Like Kabir is going, he'll also go. Huh? Kabir and Amar keep on going to get awards. They will also go. Speech, I like to thank my parents, I like to thank Mr. Khan, my alpha.
मूवी में जो आपका किरदार है वो अपने सपनों अपने एम्बिशन पे पर्सनल लाइफ को चूज करता है. रियल लाइफ में अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन कोई बनती है तो आपका क्या चॉइस होगा?
वो क्या करता है?
Personal life को choose करता है.
पर्सनल लाइफ को चूज करती है आपका.
आई थिंक ये थोड़ी पर्सनल लाइफ से ज़्यादा बड़ी बात है. इट्स नॉट पर्सनल लाइफ, इट्स अ चाइल्ड, इट्स बिकमिंग प्रेग्नेंट एंड इट्स अ लाइफ दैट यू आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर. So she chooses to do the right thing because she is very idealistic as a girl. So she chose to do the right thing, and I will always do the right thing in life also. So that's what it is. And not personally, above that I think.
So when are you starting Rajkumar Santoshi's film?
So time we're working on the script right now.
Chalo.
Salman's
Okay.
favorite song she wants to know.
Jag Bhumiya.
Salman, has anyone approached you to make a biopic on
I am trying to sing that song. Bule, I'm trying to sing that song. So I've been trying very hard with my voice. But as soon as I get that song, I'm going to go for that again record.
सलमान फिल्म में काफ़ी सपोर्टिंग कास्ट है, सबने स्ट्रांगली काम किया है. रणदीप हुडा हो या तो उनके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? और हर किसी के काम की तारीफ हुई है. What is said about this?
हाँ, no, it was damn good in the film, yeah. हाँ, ये मास्टर ने इनको बहुत कंट्रोल किया है. आनंद को ऐसा लगा तो वो सुल्तान थे बिगनी.
Ali, ये आपका conscious
Eventually, he's turned out really well. So is Randeep. No, her father.
Yeah.
My father in the movie. Yeah. My father in the film. My dadi.
सब असली लगने की वहीं के हैं. सही है.
Salman, has anyone approached you for your biopic?
किसको देखना चाहोगे आप?
See, my life is very boring life. Boring life के
exciting life है।
boring life के ऊपर कोई बायोपिक करता नहीं है.
सबसे एक्साइटिंग लाइफ है और किसको देखना चाहेंगे आप इसमें?
इसमें बहुत सारे लोग मर जाएंगे बायोपिक के अंदर. तो
But would you about the film, but did he even point out any flaws?
no. He just loved the film. In fact, he messaged me after he saw the film. Music fabulous, action incredible, there's performances, script, screenplay, dialogue, everything was.
Would you give permission for someone to make a biopic if someone
No,
approaches
never,
you?
never. Because for that one will have to write it down, and the only one who can write it down is me, or my brothers or my sisters, or that do some bits of it. They don't know everything.
किसको देखना चाहोगे?
आप अपने आप में
आपको क्या लगता है कौन एक्टर होगा जो आपके रोल को बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर सकता
Nobody.
Why we can?
क्या did you see the trailer of Rahi?
Yeah.
Pardon?
कन्नड़ा? कन्नड़ा.
No, I have not been able to see.
कन्नड़ा के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे आप लोग. आप किसी गाने
I just saw the trailer of Rustam. I think it's fabulous. It's damn good, yeah.
And
I saw a song of Mohenjo-daro and some action
Yeah, right now it's
yesterday on television. I was watching
like
it. Very good.
But अभी ऐसा
Very
कुछ
good.
है नहीं.
Okay, thank you everyone.
Thank you,
for
thanks
coming
everybody.
here.